Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I'm Hishamuddin. I want to share my tips to you to use Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint features with ease and confidence. Let's begin. Today, I want to show you how you can link an Excel spreadsheet to PowerPoint presentation. This way, when your data updates in Excel, it also automatically updates in your PowerPoint presentation. An example, the jumlah hari kursus mengikut jabatan, I'm on point for pulling together out quarterly performance review. These slides themselves don't change, but the underlying data does. Usually, I have to go into Excel, and that's where I will update the data. And then I have to manually copy and paste it from Excel into PowerPoint. That takes a lot of time, and there's better things that I could be doing, like creating reports and presentation slides. Luckily, there is a better way, and let's check it out. Here I am in PowerPoint, and this is the PowerPoint that we use to present jumlah kursus 2023 in Kolej Komuniti Kuala Terengganu. Once again, the slides themselves are not changing. It's only the underlying data that has changed. Now, right here, these tables in PowerPoint, I want to update it in Excel. And those updates will automatically to PowerPoint without me having to touch anything. Let's jump into Excel. Here is our data in Excel. I'm going to highlight this table and click on copy. Now, let's go back over to PowerPoint, and in PowerPoint, let's go to the top left hand corner and click on the drop down under paste, then select paste special. Here, let's select paste link, and then I can paste it as a Microsoft Excel worksheet object. And look at that, I now have my table in Microsoft PowerPoint. But wait, the magic is about to open. Here now, I have Excel and PowerPoint open side by side. Here, I just update one of the numbers in Excel, and look at that, it is immediately show up in PowerPoint. Additionally, example, here I will take the sukuan 2 tab and I will paste them into my sheet, and there's 2 in PowerPoint. The entire table automatically updates without requiring me to do anything in PowerPoint. If I want to make any change to the table within PowerPoint, I can simply double click on the table, and this will open up the source Excel sheet. Then I can make whatever change I want, and they will automatically flow back into PowerPoint. One of the downside with this approach is if I want to make any formatting change, so let's say I want to change the color or maybe the fonts, I have to make all of these changes in Excel. Once I make the change in Excel, they will flow through to PowerPoint. However, I cannot make any of this formatting change directly within PowerPoint. Alright, well, this is sure to make my life a lot easier, and I'm sure it's going to help you to save a lot of time. So, maybe this way I could work on reports or presentations more easier. Please consider to subscribe, and I will see you next time for eDOLA Ganu Kita. Bereh boh.